Hello everybody, it's your girl Shiwala Dele. I hope you're having a wonderful day like I am. All right. I am so excited to be here. You already know me. I'm always excited to be here because I love you all, my YouTube family. So first of all, let me just say thank you for joining me once again on here. So a lot of you have been, sending me Instagram DMs and even leaving comments in the comment section that you cannot wait for me to talk about today's topic. And guys, I am super excited also. So today we're going to be talking about the essential things every girl, you and I, okay, should have in our wardrobe to ensure that we step out looking stylish, looking glam every day for the rest of our life. So they are simple, basic things, and without further ado, I'm just going to share it with you. Probably sure that you have heard people talk about these items a lot on YouTube or anywhere else. However, I'm going to be taking it from my perspective and why these essential things, these basic things are essentials for every girl's wardrobe. All right, so I'm not only going to be talking about what they are, why you need to have them, I'm going to also be sharing my recommendations for where to get them on a budget. Of course, you know me, on this channel we're all about looking good, looking fabulous, looking the best version of ourselves every day on minimal effort, cost, and time possible. So without further ado, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I think this is a good time to do so, because on this channel we're always spilling the tea on effortless and fabulous living. Of course, in this month of March, we've been talking about minimal living, simple living. So that is why we're going to be talking about the basic essentials for our wardrobe. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the first item. And the first item that I believe every woman should have in their wardrobe is jeans. I don't know about you, but I'm just going to tell you this. Finding the perfect jeans for our body shape, especially a black girl who is thick and have curves in the right places and with a bit of booty, finding the perfect jeans for us is a bit of a hassle sometimes. And I'm going to just tell you this straight up, okay? Finding the perfect jeans is not one of those things you shop for online. No, guys, I would recommend that you go to the store, take your time, devote some time to look for the perfect jeans. And when you do find a jeans, go into the fitting room, wear it, look at yourself 360 degrees, make sure it's sitting right before you do choose the jeans. All right, so here are some of the things that I look for when picking my jeans. And I'm going to be talking about the skinny jeans and the flared or palazzo jeans, like we like to call it. So the first thing I look out for, whether skinny or palazzo jeans, is this one: high waist. I love high waist jeans, guys, and the reason why I do like high waist jeans is because since I gave birth, or since I grew older, my waist doesn't look the same again. I have a bit of a flesh hanging around there somewhere, and guys, it's so not appealing. So that's why I prefer to buy high waist jeans that helps me tuck in, or kind of act like a kind of girdle that packs those extra flesh, make it smooth, make it nice and clean without bulging. I'm talking too much, but you get the idea of what I'm talking about. So high waist does help me give the illusion that I am slimmer around the waist than I really am. All right, so yes, the first thing is high waist jeans. Yes, let me quickly talk about low waist jeans. It's not like low waist jeans are bad, but for me personally, I have one, but I do tend to avoid low waist jeans, because when you wear low waist jeans, the extra flesh kinds of hang over the waist of the jeans, and guys, that's so not appealing. So yeah, high waist it is for me all the time, whether skinny, whether flirt jeans. I always go for high waist jeans because they just look smarter and more beautiful on my figure, and I believe it will work for everybody. Now, the second thing I also look out for when picking my jeans is the overall fit. Guys, that's a period for all fashion items, overall fit. Okay, so yes, I really like my jeans to sit on my waist and my hip very nicely. So what I also look out for when picking jeans is make sure that it has a bit of elastic, maybe not too elastic, but I mean just a bit of stretch, like so, as you can see me doing right now. A bit of stretch will make sure that it hugs your firm a bit like nicely. It just gives you an illusion of, you know, a broader hip with a smaller waist. Yes, make sure it has a bit of elastic, and also it helps with wearing it. When jeans are too tight, they give me headache. So yes, a bit of elastic ensures that, you know, it's easy for me to wear, and it also hugs me when I wear it, so it gives a really nice clean look. The third thing I look out for when picking my jeans is this: the flap area. Guys, you want to pay extra attention to the flap area, and this is the reason why, because some flap tend to fold over or give you a camel toe. All these two things are not appealing on us at all. You want to make sure that the flap sits right and flat, and you know, it's the crotch area just looks nice, no matter how good looking the color is, no matter how trendy looking the jeans is. Guys, if the flap is not right, skip it. It is not the jeans for you. Okay, so the fourth thing and the last thing that I also put, you know, into big consideration when choosing my jeans is this item. So for skinny jeans, I always make sure that it hits me on the ankle, like exactly on the ankle. Guys, you already know me. I like to wear heels because it gives me an elevated, stylish look. So when you wear a skinny jeans that stops right at the ankle and you wear heels with it, it makes your leg look a bit longer, okay, and it makes you look a bit taller. All right, so, and it just gives you a whole how do I put this, it makes you look a bit more snatched, for lack of a better word. Okay, so yes, that's it for skinny jeans. For flat jeans, however, I always make sure that the flare jeans is like 3, 4, or 5 inches longer than my actual leg, like my actual length, because I like to wear heels and I like my flare jeans to cover my shoes. And the reason is because it makes my leg look very long, and you would think that I'm actually taller than I actually am. So yes, these are the 4 criteria I always pay attention to when I am choosing my jeans. I have to tell you where to get your jeans. Personally, all my jeans are from Zara, and I will tell you why, because they just sit beautifully. In my opinion, Zara jeans are made for black women. Like, they hug right, they sit right, they are beautiful, and they are trendy. Guys, Zara is my #1 place to get all my jeans. And what more, I always target the sale period, and I get myself beautiful jeans at very low cost. Yes, very low cost. You already know me. I do not like to spend too much on fashion items. Yes, so Zara, #1. #2 is Stradivarius. If you don't already know, Stradivarius is a sister company to Zara. It's owned by the same person. So yes, they kind of have similar style in clothing. So yes, you will find good jeans at Stradivarius. Another place is Topshop. Topshop also has very nice high-waisted, nice fitting jeans. And the last one is Salsa. Salsa is a bit more on the high end when it comes to cost. I do not have any jeans from Salsa, but they do have beautiful jeans. So if you feel like splurging on your jeans, by all means try Salsa. If you've been following me a lot on this channel, you would know that I have absolute mad love for white t-shirts. Guys, white t-shirts is the one fashion item that I have the most in this house. Guys, I have over 20 white t-shirts, and no, I know we're talking about minimalism, but I am not sharing my white t-shirts because, guys, white t-shirts are the foundation, the building block for every clean and stylish wardrobe. Like, you can style up a white t-shirt so easily. You can even wear it simply. You can, I mean, white t-shirts is just bae. I cannot quite explain it. Like, it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. So the things I look for when picking my white t-shirts, #1 is 100% cotton. Guys, cotton, because it's I prefer it to be 100% cotton because it's airy, it's light, and in the summertime it's easy to just wear alone, and even in the winter time, you know, it looks beautiful when you layer up your white t-shirt. So yes, 100% cotton is the first criteria I look for when picking my white t-shirt. The second thing I look for when picking a white t-shirt is this one: the overall fit. Guys, I cannot overemphasize fitting when it comes to fashion items. Guys, if it sits beautifully on you, you will feel beautiful, and if it doesn't sit beautifully on you, you will be uncomfortable. And guys, fashion is 90% confidence. White t-shirt for me, okay, has to be 100% cotton, has to sit well. And when we're talking about sitting well, I usually go for the next size. I'm a size 10. I usually go for a size 12 because I like my clothing to have a bit of more room on me. I know people think that the tighter your clothes is, the slimmer you would look, guys. I do not believe that. I think when you wear tight clothing, it shows the extra flesh that is going on around your body, and it's just not so appealing for me, all right, in my opinion. So yes, I always go for a size bigger on my body. So yes, overall fit 100% cotton. And the next thing I also always look for in my white t-shirt is a bit of extra going on. Yes, plain white t-shirts are fine and dandy, but I always look for something extra when I am picking my white t-shirts. Just like this one, you can see this one has a bit of a cutout. Okay, it's plain and everything, but look, like it has a bit of more cutout, and of course it's stylish when I wear it. I am very much attracted to t-shirts with a bit of something going on in front, or maybe the sleeves or the hem, but just something, not necessarily words. It could be a drawing, it could be embellishment, it could be anything, but I just like something extra going on with my white t-shirts, especially when I wear jackets on them or a blazer, or you know, I just like something, just a little bit of, I like just one more reason why I should buy a white t-shirt. And I also have plain ones, but with the plain ones, I personally like to play around with v-necks and round necks. I'm not really crazy about crew necks, but I think that v-necks are so beautiful because they make like you can see what I'm wearing right now, they just show a very tiny bit of flesh, and I don't know, I just feel, in my opinion, I feel like it's just like an extra personal touch. All right, the best places that you will, or well, that I buy my white t-shirt, surprise, it is not Zara. For some reason, for some weird reason, I have been unlucky with buying white t-shirts or t-shirts from Zara. Okay, so my favorite places to buy white t-shirts or t-shirts in general is, number one, if you live in the Middle East, Center Point. Splash has very beautiful 100% cotton white t-shirts, and on a budget like as low as 29 riyals. I'll put how much that is in dollars. Yes, if you live in the Middle East, Center Point is the best place for you to get your white t-shirt. Another place you can get nice white t-shirt is also H&M. H&M has a very affordable white beautiful white t-shirt, and yes, if you like to shop online too, Shein has very beautiful white t-shirts. In fact, I got this one from Shein, very beautiful and very stylish. This one right here, no, this one right here is from Zara. And if you're living in in the abroad, if you're living in the US or the UK, the Polo Ralph Lauren or US Polo also has very nice, beautiful white t-shirt. This one is from USP PA. Yes, all right, yes. So that's it about white t-shirts. And while we're still talking about white t-shirts, we need to talk about white shirts. And I think every woman should have a white shirt in her wardrobe. And this is it's the same reason. It's exactly the same reason as having, you know, a white t-shirt. It's clean, it's easy to style, it's trendy, it's just always beautiful. There's just something about white. I cannot overemphasize it. Like, white is just bae. White is bae. So yes. Also, for me, as always, what I look for in buying my white shirt are fitting. It has to sit right, and it has to have a bit of something extra, guys. Extra, like this one has a bell arm, and I only have about 3 white shirts in the house. So yes, you definitely want to have a white shirt. White shirt looks so beautiful on blue jeans. Like, you're not doing too much, you're just wearing a nice blue jeans that fits right, and you're wearing a white t-shirt or white shirt, and guys, with a little bit of accessorizing, you are bae. Like, you are bae, you're stepping out in style. So I debated adding this item, this number 4 item, into our basic wardrobe essential, because not many people would agree, but for me, two-piece fashion items or two-piece clothing are a must-have for every woman, especially if you're a mom and you know you don't want to stress over combining clothes too much. Just get yourself a two-piece like you can see right now, guys. My best thing about two-piece is that they are already assembled, they are already matchy. You don't have to wake up and think, oh, what do I wear with this, what do I wear with that? Guys, it is already assembled for you. You just throw it on and go, and you're looking stylish. All right, another thing that I do like about two-piece is that it's you can pair it with other items, so it's like a win-win for me. Like as you can see here, this top would look nice with a black jeans, and also this pants would look nice with a plain white shirt or a plain white t-shirt. Like it's just a win-win for me. Definitely you want to get two pieces and add it to your essential collection. Yes, the best places to get two pieces, in my opinion, is Shein. Guys, Shein has a lot of beautiful stylish two pieces, and they are cheap. I think that's my best part. They are cheap. Yes, you definitely want to shop nice beautiful two pieces from Shein. Another place that you can get nice beautiful two piece is from Zara. Zara always like season in season out, they always have beautiful two pieces that you can put together, and you know you can just put on and go. Like put on and go. Okay, like this one is from Zara. So yes, please add some beautiful stylish two-piece in your collection, in your basic collection. If you're new to my channel, now is the time to press that subscribe button, because guys, it's like on this channel we're all about looking good, looking fabulous, and looking the best version of ourselves every day. And guys, I'm always spilling the tea and always willing to help my fellow dolls look as glam as possible.